The 50-30-20 rule and why it fails. You've heard it a million times. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, 20% on savings. The golden rule of budgeting, right? Here's the problem. This rule was invented in the 1990s. Rent was cheaper. Groceries cost half as much. Salaries actually kept up with inflation. Invented in the 90s for the 90s. Today? Following 50-30-20 isn't just outdated, it's keeping you broke. Let me show you why. The reality check. Let's run the numbers on a £30,000 salary. After tax, student loan, and pension, you're taking home about £2,000 per month. 50% for needs means £1,000. Now try fitting your life into that. Rent outside London, £750. Council tax, £120. Utilities and broadband, £150. That's already £1,020. Rent plus bills alone equals over budget. You haven't bought food, transport, or insurance yet. You're over budget before you've even started. The 50-30-20 rule doesn't work because 50% isn't realistic anymore. The 30% wants problem. The rule says 30%, £600, is for wants. Eating out. Netflix. Holidays. But here's the trap. When your needs cost 65% of your income, you start using your wants budget to cover necessities. Groceries. Travel to work. Emergency household items. That £600 disappears on things that aren't really wants at all. Suddenly you're spending 80% on needs and you've got nothing left for savings. You feel guilty, you give up, you stop budgeting. You feel guilty. You give up. And you stop budgeting altogether. The rule didn't fail because you're bad with money. It failed because the rule is wrong. The 20% savings lie. Then there's the 20% savings target. £400 a month. $4,800 a year. Sounds good in theory, but if your needs are 65% and your wants are just 15%, you're only saving 20% if you have zero fun and zero flexibility. No buffer when your boiler breaks. The rule sets you up to fail because it assumes expenses are predictable. They're not. Life happens. And when it does, your savings take the hit, not your wants. Life happens, savings take the hit. Fix the anti-budget. So what actually works? It's called the anti-budget, and it flips everything upside down. 2 rules. No categories. No guilt. Save first, spend the rest. Step 1, fixed costs only. Calculate your fixed costs. Rent. Bills. Debt payments. Insurance. Not groceries, just the things you must pay every single month no matter what. Step 2, automate your savings. Set a savings target you can actually hit. Start small. £100 a month. Automate it so it leaves your account on payday before you even see it. Step 3, guilt-free everything else. The rest is yours. No categories. No guilt. Whatever's left after fixed costs and savings, spend it on whatever you want. No spreadsheet. No tracking. If your fixed costs drop to 50% because you downsized or negotiated bills, great, you save more. If they're 65%, you're not a failure. You're just being realistic. Not a failure, just realistic. This week, write down your fixed costs. Just the must-pays. Then set up one automated transfer to savings on payday. Even £50. The anti-budget starts there. Subscribe. Next video, how to build real wealth on a £45,000 salary. If someone you know is struggling to make a budget work, send them this. See you next week.